请慢慢牵手。
ni sa re sa 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 ni sa re sa 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 ni sa ga re 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 ni sa ga re 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 re.
वी आर सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस। आज फ्लोट की जो महफिल है वो हमेशा यादगार होती है, मेमोरेबल नाइट होती है हमारी हमेशा। बहुत सारी महफिलें हम करते हैं लेकिन जो फ्लोट की महफिल होती है वो हमेशा यादगार होती है।
Ga ma pa sa re ga ma sa re ga ma pa sa re ga ma pa sa re ga ma pa.
सूफ़ी क्योंकि अंदाज़ है सूफ़ी एक, हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कोई गाना है सूफ़ी, सूफ़ी एक अंदाज़ है और उसी को हम पेश करेंगे।
You must be thinking, how did I land up here? Hello everyone, welcome to another fun-filled episode of Radico Presents Lounge Nights. And I am Mia Latra, your guide for exploring the best culinary and nightlife scenes across the country. Today, I'm vibing at Float by Duty Free, where the drinks flow, the beats drop, and the flavors, oh my god! Are you ready to float with me? So let's get this evening started. Float by Duty Free is not just a restaurant bar. It's no less than a visual feast. From the moment you step inside, you're transported into a world where glamour meets futuristic design. With these eye-catching circular light fixtures that hover overhead like halos of gold, the whole space feels like you are on a board a retro futuristic spacecraft.
I'm Tanvi. At Duty Free, I'm handling multiple outlets like Float is one of, and Dolce, BYOB, Saucy, Oscar, and I'm handling as a marketing and sales. Every outlet have a different concept, different theme. Like here we doing a Sufi nights, here we doing a live singing. Everything we are doing here. Weekends we do discounts, and right now we are doing a Oktoberfest where we are giving a 99 rupees beer, and every day we are Monday like we are doing a corporate night, happy hours. So every day the different offers we are giving.
Speaking of the top floor of Float by Duty Free, things get even more stunning. The vibe up here shifts into an open-air heaven, perfect for those who love to party under the stars. With sleek, modern seating and ambient lighting that glows just right, it's the kind of rooftop that feels both laid back and upscale at the same time. The glowing bar at Float by Duty Free is an absolute showstopper. With its sleek design and shimmering golden glow, it sets the perfect vibe for a glamorous evening. This isn't just your average spot to grab a drink, it's a full-on experience. And let's talk about the bartenders. They are mixology masters, whipping up everything from classic cocktails to their signature creations. They add flair to every pour. Their infectious energy turns drink making into performance, making each sip unforgettable.
Mixology is an art to create a new drink from different ingredients. And I am a storyteller. Myself, Ashok Singh, I am bar manager at Float. In mixology, we create a unique one. In Float, we basically we made like a different cocktails from others bars. We make infused cocktails and infused with gin and local spices like local cinnamon, cardamom, star anise, and ginger.
Today I'm at Float by Duty Free and I have with me is mixologist Ashok Singh. Give me a high five. So Ashok, we're gonna make some amazing cocktails with magic moments. So Ashok, क्या बनाने वाले आप?
We are making a signature cocktail with magic moment vodka. The
Okay.
name of the cocktail is Floaty Bloom.
Wow, as the name itself says Floaty Bloom, I'm excited to have that drink and float in my imagination. Let's get started.
Yes. 30 ml of freshly homemade dragon fruit syrup.
Wow, that's nice. I love dragon fruits and I'm having dragon fruit juice as well. Okay.
30 ml of freshly strawberry
Nice.
syrup.
One thing I'm liking this, it's they are blending with all the genuine fresh fruit.
We are making
Seems
with
like that.
all the freshly homemade syrups
Nice.
and 30 ml of lime juice.
Nice.
30 ml of lime juice.
I guess Ashok, you have chosen a drink by keeping me in your mind, right? आपने
Yes.
मेरी personality के हिसाब से drink choose किया है.
जी मैम.
सही है.
And at last we are adding 60 ml of magic moment vodka.
Great. The main ingredient of the drink. This drink will gonna add some magic in my life as well, right?
30 ml lychee juice.
Now this ice cubes. Yes, let's go ahead.
Add little bit ice cubes.
Perfect. And I love this part. Now let me try. I love this part. There you go. And now it seems like a drink is ready. And there are floating, right?
Floating bloom.
Floating bloom is ready. And I'm loving how the dragon fruits seeds are floating up. So Ashok, इस टाइप के ड्रिंक से फीमेल्स लेती है या फिर मेल anyone can have it?
Anyone can have it.
Anyone can have it?
This
But
is especially for you, but
thank you. Let's taste this. The culinary scene at Float by Duty Free is nothing short of flair and creativity, making every bite a tasty celebration. The chefs here are true masters of their craft, blending traditional techniques with modern flair.
Every day is different. Sometimes it's hectic, sometimes it's normal, but I love this job. My name is Chef Himanshu Dhondial and I'm the corporate chef of the Duty Free Group. I've started my career in past 2010, then I went to US and then came back to India and joined Taj Group, JP Group, and after that I joined this company and here I'm feeling very good. My philosophy is simple, that just make your dish with your heart. Once the guest eat the food and if he smiles while having your food, then you made your day. That's it.
So chef के साथ I am sitting at my favorite segment, that is food. Everybody thinks I'm not foodie, but I'm a big time food lover and big time foodie. So chef को पता है कि मियाँ को क्या पसंद है, उसी हिसाब से उन्होंने Float by Duty Free में मेरे लिए उसी हिसाब से cuisine ready करा है. So chef, मुझे आप बताइए क्या क्या चीज़ आपने मेरे लिए ready करवाई है?
Sure, ma'am. Firstly, we start with this signature sev puri. It's not a basic sev puri. We have fusion this sev puri. In the base, we have hummus, then papdi, then tamarind sauce, then mint sauce, and sweet curd, along with nylon sev.
And there we shift to this one.
This one is Lebanese chicken skewer.
Chef presentation बहुत amazing है. Looks so yum. तो इसके पीछे की थोड़ी story बताइए ना.
It's basically from the Lebanese. People used to have like raw chicken on the grill, and then they just put it salads, hummus, and pickle, and have that.
Great. This looks perfect. And how about that one?
This one is pepper cheese stick.
Pepper cheese stick.
It's not a spring roll. It's our version of spring roll. We
Okay.
usually stuff cheese and bell peppers in it.
Okay, so we can say this is the brother and sister of spring roll.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, nice.
But it's our version. Here we are having broccoli and parmesan love.
प्यार करना है तो ब्रोकली से प्यार करो, दुनिया से क्यों प्यार करना है ना शेफ? Nice.
We have like.
So is it healthy?
Yeah, it's very healthy.
Okay.
We used to pour parmesan sauce like this.
Oh wow, this looks amazing. Wow, now that is something very delicious, yumlicious. I can't
And then-
control to taste that.
Parmesan cheese on the top.
Wow, cheese on top of it. What else a person needs? Especially a person like me who's a very cheesy, like I love cheese and milk and dairy products. Yeah, nice.
And for the kids, we are having this mini sliders, veg
Oh,
sliders.
this is really, I love the way you have presented. So I guess to all the family members out there, you don't even have to worry for your kids because they have special menu designed for kids, and really love the way this has been curated, and this is very nice in terms of looks, and I guess every kids love it.
Next one is, this one is soya chap ghee roast.
Okay.
It's a Mangalorean dishes.
Mangalorean
Served
dish.
with Malabar paratha and mint chutney and lachha onion.
So all the vegetarian people, you have something soya chap ghee roast, right? So आपको non-vegetarian को देख के, you guys don't have to mouth watering or something like that. You people can enjoy this dish. So I must say, chef, कि आपके पास variety कोई कमी नहीं है. But how did you guys come across to such names, menus? या आपके clients के demand से आप लोगों को ये idea आया? कैसे आपने इन सब का innovation किया है?
इनोवेशन हमने ऐसे किया कि लाइक हमारे ओनर्स ने हमें गाइड किया
Okay.
कि आप डिफरेंट जगह पे जाओ, वहाँ का क्यूजिन सर्च करो और जो आपको बेस्ट लगता है वो अपने गेस्ट को डिलीवर करो. मैंगलोर, मुंबई, दिल्ली के हर स्ट्रीट में, पुरानी दिल्ली, हर जगह घूमे हैं. उसके बाद हमने मेन्यू क्रिएट करा है.
So this is something new I got to know कि chef just for the sake of menu नहीं बनाते, but they actually go, travel, taste, and then you guys come and then experiment and create such kind of a cuisine in your kitchen. Nice. Delhiite होके street food नहीं खाया तो क्या खाया? Then definitely you're missing out something. How did you come into this chef line, or maybe how did you get connected to this outlet?
No, I don't want to become a chef, but I want to become a naval engineer.
Wow.
Yeah. After that, just because of some mishappening, I came to this line, and thank God I didn't become a naval engineer.
Give me a high five for giving us an amazing chef like you. Acha chef, I really want to know what really inspired you to become a chef.
My mom.
Oh wow. What's the story behind your mom?
Actually, जब भी हम घर पे रहते थे तो हमेशा मॉम मेरी बोलती थी कि बेटा क्या खाएगा क्या नहीं खाएगा, तो उन्हें पता था कि मेरे चेहरे पे स्माइल कैसे आएगी.
Aww.
मेरे घर में कोई भी फैमिली मेम्बर्स आता था, कोई भी रिलेटिव्स आते थे, तो बस वही बोलते थे कि मॉम के हाथ का खाना खाना है. तो वहीं से मुझे लगा कि यार जब मैं किसी को खाना खिलाऊंगा, वो खुश होगा, तो वो मुझे क्या बोलेगा क्या नहीं बोलेगा. बस एक वही प्रेरणा मुझे मिली कि भाई मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना, अपनी मॉम की तरह दिल से खाना बनाना है और लोगों को खुश करना है.
That means you get a lot of blessings. क्योंकि मुझे किसी का खाना अच्छा लगता है, जब दिल से बनाता हूँ, सिंपली थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गुड फूड, गॉड ब्लेस यू. सो आपको तो इतने से ब्लेसिंग्स मिलते होंगे ना. अच्छा शेफ, आई रियली वांट टू आस्क कि जो अजीब सा आजकल ट्रेंड चल रहा है, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि भाई जो नमकीन है वो नमकीन ही होनी चाहिए, स्वीट है वो स्वीट होना चाहिए, सार है वो सार होना चाहिए. बट आप इस ट्रेंड को क्या बोलना चाहिए? लोग कोई भी चॉकलेट मैगी बना रहे, चॉकलेट ऑमलेट बना रहे. आई डोंट नो व्हाट ऑल, यू मस्ट बी नोइंग बेटर. डू यू वांट टू से समथिंग अबाउट इट, अबाउट दिस ट्रेंड?
मेरे लिए महापाप है.
गिव मी हाई फाइव.
खाने को खाना रखना चाहिए.
Yes.
ठीक है. आज की डेट में लोग सुशी तंदूरी में लगा के पका रहे हैं, तंदूरी सुशी बेच रहे हैं. मतलब क्या ही है.
Not done, not justified in fact.
खाने को खाने की तरह रखो, दिल से बनाओ, कभी खाना खराब नहीं बनेगा. बस. और खाने का जो ओरिजिन है ना, उसको वैसे ही रहने दो.
With that, I would like to say bye and cheers to my chef for an amazing company. Thank you. Finally, the moment I've been waiting to share with you all has come, as the final chords of the Guzaris Sufi rock band echo through the vibrant atmosphere. Our unforgettable journey comes to a close. From the dazzling decor that transported us to a futuristic heaven to the masterful mixology and culinary creations that tantalized our senses, every moment was a celebration of life and joy. A big shout out to our incredible bartenders and chefs for crafting moments we'll cherish long after the night ends. So until the next time, may your evenings be filled with glamour, laughter and the same magic we shared at Float by Duty Free.